What's up, guys? It's Samuel Leeds here, and massive happy Merry Christmas. You know what? I made a commitment to do a video every single day, and even though it's Christmas doesn't mean I'm not going to be putting a video out. Literally, even if it means I have to jump out of the busy house on Christmas Day and sit in my car to get some peace and quiet to do a video. Today I wanted to bring something amazing to you. Normally what happens over the Christmas period is it's a strange, weird period where no one knows what day of the week it is, and everyone kind of just eats and sleeps and doesn't know what's going on, and then suddenly before you know it, boom, January comes, you're back into the rat race, you're back into the normality of everything, and I want to set you up to have the best decade you could ever comprehend. I want to set you up to have the best year, to have the best January. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you five little things to do every day as from tomorrow. So 26th, Boxing Day, 27, 28, 29, 30th. So you've got 5 little things to do over the next 5 days. This is my homework, and I believe me, come January, you're going to be head and shoulders above all the other property investors out there. So this is the homework, this is the plan, and I hope that you actually do this. Today, watch this video and then just relax, okay? Drink some wine, relax, have some leftover Yorkshire puddings. But tomorrow, on Boxing Day, I want tomorrow to be planning day, okay? 26th, tomorrow, Thursday, planning day. What do I mean by planning? If you do not have a plan, then your plan is to fail. So your plan is to be, what's the next property going to be that you buy? If you're just starting out, what's your first deal? If you've already been in property a while, what's the next property deal? Write that down, get really clear on also why you're doing this, why you want financial freedom, and what exactly is the next property going to be, and write it down. So if you've got a written goal, it's suddenly much more likely to happen. So tomorrow, that's your homework. 27th, what next? Branding day. It's not about what you know. It's not just about who you know. It's also about who knows you. Now, I want you to tell the world what your next property is going to be. Now, you can tell your aunts, your uncles, your kids, you can tell your spouse, your brothers, your sisters, but I would suggest that you head down to my Facebook group with 25,000 other property investors that want you to win in this industry, and post on the group. So the group is Property Investors with Samuel Leeds. Go on there and post, hey, my name is Lauren or Dave, and my next deal is going to be, and speak it out. When you speak it out, you speak it into existence, and suddenly some people will be against you, but go on the group and everyone will be supporting you and helping you and brainstorming with you how you can make that happen. You are branding yourself, you are speaking it out into existence, you are telling the world that you are a property investor and what your goal and after your planning day is. That's on the 27th. The 28th, Saturday, what day is that going to be? Well, right now you've got your plan, you've spoken it out, you've branded yourself, you've told the world, you've told 25,000 other property investors. 28th Saturday is deal finding day. That's when I want you to go on Rightmove, Zoopla, Spare Room, Open Rent, Gumtree. Go on all these sites where people have got their houses for sale, for rent, and depending on what type of strategy, depending on what your next deal is going to be, find loads of leads, find viewings, deal finding day. You know what? In between Christmas and New Year is such a good time. Instead of scrolling on Facebook and scrolling on Instagram, scroll the houses, see what investments are available, find lots of opportunities, maybe even post them on the Facebook group and say, this is what I'm thinking. People are like, oh no, I don't want to do that, because everyone would do it. No, they won't, because it's your strategy in your area with your, everyone's got their own thing going on. So post out, get people's feedback. It's deal finding day, ready for the 30th. And the 30th is a Sunday, and that is learning day, growing day. On the 30th, which is a Sunday, I want you to just fill your mind while everyone else is just relaxing, doesn't even know what day it is. Nothing's open, everything's closed, the estate agents are closed, everything's closed. I want you to just really spend time learning, growing, maybe read some books, listen to some podcasts, and if you haven't already, that's the day. That's the day. I want you to book on the Property Investors Crash Course. It's a free program, 2 days, free program. There's different dates available in the new year. On Sunday, the 30th of December, book on the Property Investors Crash Course. If you want to invest in property, you need first to invest in yourself. You're the best investment. If that's investing money, investing time, is growing day, learning day, education day, ready for Monday the 30th. No one knows what day it is. Everyone's like, what day is it? What's going on? What's happening? The shops are open. It's a working day. The estate agents are open. At this point, you've got your plan. You've branded yourself. You have found lots of deals. Now, what do you think you're going to do? You've also booked on the crash course. you're going to book shed loads of property viewings. The 30th, here's the challenge. And hopefully you guys will all be posting on the Facebook group. I'll be able to keep you in check, keep you account. On the 30th, the person who books the most viewings wins. I want you to go absolutely crazy booking viewings. And tell you what, because it's Christmas, here's what I'm going to do. The person who books the most viewings, let's say you've booked 30 viewings, or something absolutely crazy, I will personally send one of my team to go out and spend a day with you holding your hand on the viewings. That's what I'm going to do. Why? Because it's Christmas. So share on the Facebook group though, but to qualify, you have to have shared on the Facebook group on the 27th. You have to have booked, obviously, found lots of properties on the 28th. You need to have booked on the crash course on the 29th, which is a Sunday. Then on Monday the 30th, you need to have booked loads of viewings. Put it on the Facebook group. Say how many viewings you've booked, and I will send one of my professional property investing experts to come out with you for the whole day, one-on-one, and go through the viewings that you've booked. Everyone else will enter January the 1st, and they'll be like, oh man, wow, back to work soon, what's going on? Not you. You're going to be on the crash course. You're going to be educated. You're going to be branded, and you're going to have loads of viewings and properties to see in the new year. So I'm excited. Those are the things I want you to do over the next 5 days. I tell you what, it won't take long. Some of these exercises might take 15 minutes. No one will even notice. Some people spend 15 minutes on the toilet. Just get on with it. Do it. I can't wait to see your success, because your success is my oxygen, even if it means getting out of my house on Christmas Day and shooting a video to see you succeed. So guys, thank you so much for watching. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, I think it'll be a pretty good day to subscribe to the channel. It's Christmas. Subscribe, smash the like button, and drop a message below. Just tell me Merry Christmas. Anything, just drop a comment below. Merry Christmas from the Leeds family, from the Freedom Formula, from all the property investors in our team, to you on this very special day. Oh my goodness, I almost forgot. Tomorrow at 7 p.m, guess what's going live? The Financial Freedom Challenge in London, baby. So tune in as well, 7 p.m. tomorrow. Watch the Financial Freedom Challenge in London. Me starting again all over from scratch. See what happens. All right, see you soon. Thanks so much. I'm done now. I'm done. Over and out.